Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the owl versus the deer from 99 Nights in the Forest in a surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners again and give it another fold. Now when I open this, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with the deer. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for an eye. Then I'm going to make another oval shape inside of here for the pupil. Next, I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to curve this back here. Right here, I'm going to make a little oval shape that I'm going to color in for the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to make another oval shape, much smaller for the other eye. And then I'm going to make another oval shape right inside of there. Next, I'm going to bring this line to about here. Then I want to make the antlers. I want to make a line that's going to kind of curve up and down, and then one that's going to go out here and down. Then I'm going to make another one that's going to curve, and then I'll connect it. I'll do one over here too. I'll make a line that's going to come up and curve, one more here, and then one that's going to go out and down. Then I'll make another little curve here that comes down. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then come back in for the ear. I'll make a line and then make that same shape in there again. Next, I'm going to curve this down, and then I'm going to curve it to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here, and then a line that's going to come down here. Now, over here, I want to make the owl. So I'm going to kind of line up the eyes, and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for one eye. Then I'm going to make a smaller oval shape inside of here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then another line that's going to curve down for the beak. Then I'm going to make another oval shape here, and a smaller one inside of there. I want to make this line kind of come down and up for the beak. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to put a couple points on it for some feathers. Then I'm going to curve this down. And I also want to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line down with a couple points and then bring it up. Then I'm going to bring this line down with a few points for some feathers, and I'll bring this one down with a little point. And then I'm just going to add some little V's on here just to make it look like it has some little feathers. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have two halves of my little characters from 99 Nights in the Forest. So first what I want to do is I'm going to bring this line down and I'm just going to connect it here. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it up to here. Then I'm gonna bring this line all the way down to here. Next, I'm gonna bring this line all the way down. And then I'm gonna bring another line down here, and I'm gonna connect it. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. Then let's work on the owl. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making this line come down for the beak, and then up. I want to make this line come up for the beak, and then down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up in a smile, and one that's going to curve up here. And we'll just kind of connect it to there. I'm going to bring this line down to the beak. Then I'm going to bring this line up. And then we'll bring this line up. Then I'm going to make this line come down with a couple little points. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw the deer's arm. So I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make it come down here with a point. Another one come down with a point, and then one more here. I'm going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to make the owl's arm over here. I'm going to make this line come up with a couple little zigzags that come down. I want to make this line come down and up, and then one more down and up and connect. Then we'll make some little lines for the claws. And then right up here, I'm going to make the little wing. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and down, and then we're going to make a couple little bumps here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold. When I have it all folded up, we have two of the main evil characters looking at each other, and then when we open it, they are getting ready to battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.